Hello and good evening to one and all presented over here. Uh, Today we are going to discuss on the topic electronic media versus print media. So we are in the favor of electronic media and they are in the favor of print media. So according to my point of view, electronic media is good because by electronic media we will be upgraded by the electronic media in very shortest time of the news or anything whatever we want to know, then we can easily convey or we can easily get the news from the electronic media very soon as possible.
Print media is also better because with the help of print media, we can also get the news. Like mostly in electronic media, we get the fake news. Mostly when we get fake news by animated video, but in print media, we can use them also.
According to your point of view, I think that print media is fake because in print media nobody is saying that who is telling these words or who are telling these words. But in electronic media, you can see that which person is telling which type of word. So in that case, if the fake news is available in the electronic media, then that type of fake news will mostly happen and mostly printed by the print medias. But you will see that if any fake news will going on in the electronic media, then the to on whom the fake news will printed, then obviously that people will able to convey with the electronic media and they can easily know that this news is fake or right. But in print media, you can't know that this news is fake or right.
But as you have said that in electronic media, you have said I don't accept your point. Like in electronic media, mostly with the help of AI or with the help of electronic media, people generate something wrong about famous person and they generate it, and because of that, their future also destroyed. But in print media, you can't say that they print fake news, but not at that type of that.
I think so that in electronic media, if any fake news will going on any other popularity or for any other person, then obviously that person will easily able to know that he's on that person any fake news is going. Then obviously that person will talk to the electronic media and they will convey message to the peoples or the publics which that news which whatever uploaded on the electronic media that news is fake, and the person get the good knowledge and good news or any right news from that person.
if if you are using it print media, in that time this is good for our generation also, because if you are using a print media, in that time this your reading skill is very good, your pronunciation is very good.
I don't think that it is possible. We can increase our memories and reading skill, because we can also increase by the help of syllabus book, and we can see and we watch electronics media video. That time we can also improve our how it's running and how it's work, like politics and any video. So that time we can also gain knowledge.
But if you are using electronic media more and more, in that time many diseases come in your body, like eye, headache, in many things. This is not good for child or old age people also.
I don't think that it is possible, because you can see in if we use paper and printed news, that time we also cut trees and etc. So it is also harmful for our environment. So I don't think that it is good. But if we watch by the help of electronic media, then that we can save our tree. So I think it is very good.
But if you are if we are cutting tree, but after some time we grow very fastly tree. But if you are using a print electronic media, in that time many hard radiation produced, in that time many creatures are destroyed.
Okay, of course you are telling right. Radiation create more than okay. Of course it is right, but I don't think that more radiation creates and many diseases come, because you can see we are using 5G network, and I don't think that more create radiation. And you can see nowadays we are using internet cable, and I don't think that internet cable is produce radiation. So and nowadays we are using internet cable. Internet cable doesn't produce radiation, and we can also watch news by the help of internet cable, and that time we no face any problem.
But print media is cheaper than electronic media, so everybody can use print media, because newspaper is sold out maybe just 3 rupees or 5 rupees. But if you have to watch news with the help of electronic media, then you have to pay a huge amount of money, maybe 1,000 or 2,000.
Okay, who people belong from like harassment and like type, that time who will not study, but who can study, who can listen. So that time I think listen is a proper idea, but who is not able to study in like that like harassment type, that time I think it is very good. But I'm not.
But if you are reading, if you are read the, like if you also see whose people are reading a newspaper or books and novels, who has a very creative and very peaceful mind. But if you are watching more than electronic media, in that time you always disturb and your mind is always distracted.
I am not agree with your point because in electronic media people will never distract, because you will see that many people are listening the electronic media and they are doing some other works. So that people have the multitasking type of abilities, and the people who are doing that multitasking, they can easily do and they can easily concentrate their mind in one place. But the people who have the multitasking mind, then obviously that person will easily able to success in any type of area, any type of thing, because you will see that in the AI or any other things, the company or the software engineers, they have the multitasking mind. By that they are earning a lot of money. So in that case, electronic media is helping you to get the multitasking mind, and that you will see that in electronic media, you will see in that television or in that screen, you will see that the printing news are written by the electronic media. You can easily read that type of news, and your reading skill will also increase very nicely.
If you are saying about the multitasking, it means not you one time you do 2 or 3 works. Like if multitasking means if you are able to do many work, you are mastery to in many work. That's I think multitasking.
I think more than one work you are doing any other work, then it's called the multitasking.
Is very.
I think that in if you are doing one work, then it is not called as multitasking. But if you will do 2 works in one time or more than 2 works, so that called the multitasking. And that electronic media gives you that type of ability by which you can get the multitasking mind, and by that you can get easily success in your life very fast and very good way.
But then with the help of print media, like if you are reading something with the, like if you are gaining knowledge with the help of book, then you will also find peace, because you have sat at a place and you are reading something that you will gain knowledge from that instant.
As you are telling that you can get the instant knowledge by the print media, you are wrong, because nowadays you will see that the children were using the electronic media. By that, the small children have the very good mind.
Do you think it is safe for children?
It is
they are
safe for
using
children.
electronic media at such an early age.
That is earliest, but you will see that the children are growing their mind very fastly. You will see that in earlier times, the children don't have that type of minds which nowadays children have. Because of electronic media, small children have the good knowledge, and by that, our India is growing very nicely and very fastly.
But by the help of electronic media, children are going to also in a wrong path by the help of electronic thing.
Electronic thing, they are going the wrong path, but the electronic media, they are not going in the wrong path. Because electronic media only gives the right news and the good news for the children, and by that the children will get the lots of knowledge of their earlier times, of their previous times, the lots of news they will get, whatever they want to know. But in print media, if the children want some previous news, then they can't know that, they can't get that type of news very easily and very fastly. But electronic media gives that type of things and that type of abilities that children get the very faster news as.
You know, that's the disadvantages of electronic media. Like you can get anything very instantly, and because of that, many people forget to do hard work.
As you are telling that the people are not doing the hard work, so in electronic media also the people are doing the very hard work, because in electronic media, lots of the news were printed by the electronic media.
No, I am not saying that. I am saying that because of electronic media, mostly like all the people get information about anyone. So because of that, it is very disadvantageous. So
no, that is not called a disadvantage, because in that the people are saving the time.
If you will search,
in that the people are saving that time, because you will see that if any people will be wasting the time in the print media, that they are searching that news whatever they want. So in that case, obviously they are wasting their time by searching that type of news. But you will see that if the person wants some news in very current time, then obviously they will use the electronic media and they will get the faster news.
Electronic media, everything is like not fake. Everything is real.
I am not telling that in print media also many news are fakes. In electronic media also not every news are fakes. But you will see that in electronic media mostly the news are real, because you are listening that type of news by live.
if something has happened, then there are so many like news channel who will release their news. Someone is saying something different and some other news channel is saying different. So how can you believe that who is saying right? But in print media, you can see that mostly
as you are telling that the people who are telling, mostly the people are telling wrong or right, you don't know. But I think that in this type of cases they happen in the print media, because the people are getting the previous news in the day of whatever they are reading in the print media. But in electronic media, people are getting the updated news, the current news they are getting from the electronic media, by which the people can easily update it and they can easily know that what is happening now in our country, not what happened yesterday in our country.
So if somebody knows what is happening right now at that time, so can they do something about that?
I think electronic media is giving the all over world news, but in print media you can't get all over world news. You will
Are
get
you sure?
only.
If you will read
I'm
newspaper,
sure.
then you will know that like in print media also you will get across the world the news also.
I think that in print media you can't get that type of news. Whatever news is given by the electronic media.
You know, print media
Because
doesn't.
electronic media employees are going out of the country and they are showing you that what is happening in other countries, what is happening there. But you can't able to see the print media that what is happening in other countries. You can't able to see that what is the nature of that place. But you can easily see in the electronic media. So that is good that the people are getting the live news and you can easily able to see whatever is going on.
Print media doesn't post any useless useless news like
Okay. I am not
media.
saying that news.
Because
You can
in print
other
media,
countries. The people will obviously know about other countries because many
So
people
what will
have
they do after doing-
have the dream to go in abroad, by which they can easily get the lots of news from the electronic media and they can easily know about the other countries and they can easily go in their dream places, in their dream countries. So that is good that by the help of electronic media, the people are completing their dreams. But in the print media, you see that the print media is only giving the local news. Mostly the print media is giving the local news in their local areas. But you will see that electronic media is giving the all over India, all over country, all over the world news.
Okay. I want to mention that point. If anybody want to get previous news, so that means we can get news. We can get news previous news, but we can't get news previous news by the help of printed media. So that means it is bad. It is bad, and everybody doesn't save news. Everybody doesn't save a printed newspaper. But anybody want to prove what happened in previous time. So that time we can easily get by the help of electronic media. So I think electronic media is very well.
But with the help of print media also we can get all the previous news. Yeah, like mostly people don't like save the newspaper in their home, but whatever they want they can collect from anywhere.
I don't think that everybody say, because you also told you also know that because everybody after 1 month and after 2 months save, then that they sell in the like any market. So then that they use reused. So I don't think that it is easy for recollect.
Yeah, it's not easy, but even then you can get that news, and it is very useful. Like they're reusing that newspaper or magazines.